Hi folks, welcome to Pin to Prosper. Today we are reviewing another amazing AI product. You don't want to miss this one. Transform your business to the future with just one line, AI Genius app. By using AI video messaging, voice messaging, and screen capturing, prepare to witness a remarkable transformation as we show you how this app can generate a staggering $542.43 daily and bring in over $16,774.56 monthly. Let's look in some of its amazing features. Feature 1. AI Interactive Communication. Without doing anything technical, just by copying one line of code, you will have the world's best interactive communication on your website, blog, or e-com store. You will allow your customers to send you video messages, voice recordings, and screen recordings. Feature 2. 17x your sales and leads. By eliminating all the obstacle from your customer's end, you will skyrocket your sales and leads. Many studies shows that almost 87% of customers end up not purchasing because they need more info. And by giving them interactive way to communicate with you, you will give them just that. Feature 3. Integrate with anything. It doesn't matter what platform you're using. AI Genius works with all of them. ClickFunnels, Shopify, Wix, Convertri, WordPress, custom scripts, and more. All you have to do is just copy one line, and you're good to go. Feature 4. Customize your widget with AI Dashboard. With AI Genius, you will be able to customize your widget to suit any type of website or blog you have. Make your AI Genius widget look perfect for you and your brand, and change background colors, fonts, font size, font color, position, welcome message, display name, and so much more. Feature 5. Unlimited media storage space to accommodate all the videos and voice recordings for sufficient storage. Feature 6. Unlimited bandwidth. Use the full potential of AI Genius. Included is unlimited bandwidth for sending and receiving messages. Feature 8. Real-time email notification. Get a real-time notifications every time you get a video, voice, or screen message, and keep track of all of your received and sent messages in one place. Feature 9. Autoresponder integration. Connect your email autoresponder directly to your AI interactive widget and build unlimited buyers' leads. Get more leads, sales, and get more from your customers. Easily gather contact details, testimonials, feedback, and so much more. Feature 10. AI Inbox Manager. Everything organized for you. AI will sort all of the messages for you and make it incredibly easy for you to manage and reply to your customers. Feature 11. Step-by-step training. In-depth training program for you that will take your hand and show you exactly how to use AI Genius to get the most out of it. Feature 12. Commercial license included. Feature 13. AI Genius works in any niche. It works for any niche like CPA marketer, blog owners, affiliate marketers, e-com store owners, local business owners, product creators, agency owners. Aren't these features just amazing? You know what's even more amazing? The price of AI Genius. Keep watching this video until the end for its jaw-dropping price. You can also use AI Genius on your clients' websites, blogs, or e-com store. This alone will give you an extra income stream that will add thousands of dollars to your bottom line. We charge up to $997 per client for using AI Genius. There is nothing else required for you to start earning with AI Genius. No hidden fees, no monthly costs, nothing. You don't need experience to get started. There is no monthly cost. An average member made their first sale the same day they got access to AI Genius. You don't need to purchase anything else for it to work. For limited time only, grab it now for AI Genius app, worth $997 monthly. AI Genius Interactive Communication, worth $997. AI Genius Widget Customization, worth $997. AI Genius DFY, worth $997. AI Genius Mobile Edition, worth $497. Training videos, worth $997. World-class support, worth a lot. Bonus 1, AI Genius 6-figure in 60 days live event, value $1,997. Bonus 2, AI Genius VIP website builder, value $997. Bonus 3, AI Genius traffic booster, value $697. Bonus 4, AI Genius social media automation, value $497. Bonus 5, AI Genius Internet Marketing Goldmine, value $697. Today only at $16.95 only. Summary of what AI Genius does for you. Receive hundreds of video messages, voice messages, and video recordings. Skyrocket your sales and leads by copying just one line of code. Forget all about the boring contact form. Charge clients up to $997 to let them use your AI Genius. Get 500 GB free storage and 500 GB free bandwidth. AI Genius integrate with the majority of autoresponders to help you build your list fast. No complicated setup, just copy one line of code. Customize your widget with any color, font, or design without coding or designing. 30 days money-back guarantee, no risk for you. Here is a software demo.
Video, I'm going to show you how AI Genius works. So once you are logged in, the first thing you have to do is to click on widget and click on add widget to create your widget. So you input your widget name, okay, then you input the display name right here. Interact with us. You select your widget type, dialog, add widget. Great, and your widget will be created like this. So right here you can customize everything. Okay, you can change the button text to interact with us or any text that you want. You can select the button position, okay, the button color, right, then you click on save button, and as you can see it's changing right here. Okay, you can also customize other widget settings, the widget name, the display name, the welcome message. Okay, then you can input your email address right here. So you can set up if you want to get the customer's name and email, and click on save. Alright, so right here you can input your widget title, welcome to our website. Okay, then you put in your thank you message here, and right here you can specify the maximum recording duration. Okay, if you want it to be 60 minutes or whatever you want. So you specify your widget color right here. Okay, so then the font type, we have different font type. You can select the font style right here, the icon as well. You can input your widget icon here and click on save. Alright, you can also connect your email autoresponder to your widget. Alright, you can connect Aweber, Mailchimp and GetResponse to your widget. And now the last thing you have to do is to copy your embed code and paste it on your website. So you have to copy this and paste it before the body tag on your website, store, blog or funnel. So let me show you how that works. So this is my website, okay, and I would like to convert this website to an interactive sales and lead machine. Okay, so to do that, copy this code and paste it before the body tag and click on save. Then go to your website and reload. And as you can see right now, the interactive widget is now showing on your website, and your customers and audience can click on it to interact with you and send you a live interactive video message, voicemail, and screen recording. Okay, so now they select the media. We have the voice and the video, and click on start recording, and you can choose between the video recording and the screen recording. Hello, this is AI Genius, and you input your name here and your email address. Okay, and click on send to send your interactive message to the vendor, to the merchant, or to the website owner. Amazing, your message has been received, and you can also click here to create another recording. So you select the media, screen recording, and you select what you want to share audio, share. Okay, so right now you can record the part of the screen, okay, and share and send to the vendor. Okay, I would like to buy this product. May I get the full details about what this cover? All right, thank you. So then you can stop it and send to the vendor. So you put in your name here and your email address here, and click on send to send your message to the website owner. So the screen capture message has been sent, and then you can also record and send voicemail. You can send voice message directly on the website. Hello. So, and the name is going to be here, and your email address right here, and click on send. It will be delivered to the website owner. Now, anytime a customer sends you a message, you're going to receive an email notification like this, and you can always go to your AI Genius to see the message. You can see the inbox, the sent, the bookmark, and the library. So all your inbox message is going to show up right here, and you can always click here to play the message like this. Can you see? So you can pause it. You can also play the screen recording. You can see it right here. And at the same time, you can always click here to reply to the message directly. You can also reply to your customer's message and interact with them live. So you can send the video message, the voice message as well too. So you can see. And input your name here and your email address right here, and click on send, and your customer is going to receive your response. So as you can see, AI Genius is a powerful software, a powerful interactive AI software that allows you to turn any website, store, or blog into an interactive sales and lead machine, and accept live video messages. You can see voice recording, screen recording, etc. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.
This AI product is a real game changer. Grab this ultimate product before the prices shoot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.